Welcome home to this classy quad townhome. 2 bedrooms on the upper level with large pass-through bathroom. Spacious living space is connected to dining area which leads you to the 20x10 new maintenance-free deck with alum rails. The lower level could have many uses: family room, 3rd bedroom, office space, gym. Enjoy the natural light, coming from the sliding glass door with access to the front yard. Spacious garage. Update include: roof, concrete apron, washer and dryer, water softener, water heater, windows and skylight.